Today we're at the farm and it looks like our chicken just laid some eggs. Who's ready to learn some colors? Here we have a yellow egg. Yellow. Orange. Here we have a red egg. Blue. Green. And purple. Oh no, our eggs got all separated. Now let's match each color with the correct word. This one is red. Let's find the red chick. Is it this one?
No.
No. Oh, here it is. The red chick. The color red. Now we have blue. Let's find the blue chick. Oh, here it is. Blue. Blue. Orange. Here's the orange one. We found the orange chick. Orange. Now we have green. Is this green?
No.
No, that's purple. Here's green. Green. Next, we have purple. There's a purple one. Purple. Our last one is yellow. Here's the yellow one. Yellow. Now let's check out what color farm animals we have. Let's start with the chicken. It's red with a yellow beak. Now we have a brown with a yellow beak. Here we have a white sheep. A white goat. A yellow chick. A white and black cow. We have a pink pig and a light pink pig. Here we have a light brown horse with wild hair. Now we have a black and white cow. Here we have a light brown horse and a dark brown horse.
Hope you guys had fun at the farm. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one or up here for this one.